AMB Jam Media Production at the Achim Most Beautiful 2021 Ebaso Eyedi Kan Kra audition no Ebaso 13th and 14th of May 2021 where you about when you're 18 years to 29 years the pick form for cool 50 Ghana cities say a cinema so across so Achiasa district Bremu Central Bremu South and Nasa Achimansa district yadie baby a wo bia wo your bestima who are Quenya Saudi Hubeshim and Shedi Bebre and so who perform CBA tour call 7 groups of company limited and who by Divine Hospital Morning Star Kwaneso and Nasa Fresana Messi 0245 407823 and 0549 015983 Achima's beautiful AMB bringing back our own.
B Plaza Hotel or dining in Patamudi or BSC B Plaza Hotel. Hotel near Udawa, you feel like home. Oko Airebi, Cocoda B Plasta, Offense B Plasta, Chia, a Gaffo, and Quatin, and Trona, Obuase, B Plaza. Uko Yandikura, B Plaza. Your service is good, your Gini Power War. Udawa to say yes, Hotel or Dandy or BSC B Plaza. I want Quantanum, Yane Pentecost, a Sodano, and your opposite, me Acrobato, Hotel Way. Be brother, you can never resist. Your telephone number is 0243 118500 0243 118500 B Plaza Hotel. Buku and Sakwan Wabadaho and your sleeping tablet. Be Plaza. Sorry, Be Plaza. Come there, enjoy yourself. You can't resist. Acrobato, I will enjoy the place. Thank you very much.
Makachire me ho sadachi meye ni petitiu meyire me ho abobra pa aye bibi sonko abaye Abrempong dachi na won so mo akwada wonyini obeto kan wonama na obisa kwababo enti tie Abrempong Anamom Tuo ye dwumadi a ye dia ba Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia anwumre no so kwesi no nwoche Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah ani ni petitiu ni pa kase a wo mo ye bibi papa gidi abaye titiu Abrempong na enu nti wo bia pe o mabrabo mu nsamatie no betwetwe komo ebi ti sempanimfu a o mabeti o man so pen mrahwebadwafo akuafo ensantrafo akase asoafo asofo magidi nom abetwetwe nkomo Abrempong Anamom Tuo ebehye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se daachi obetimi aye kase abaye Abrempong enti hye so eya Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia nwumra no so kosi no nwoche Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah akwadawye so awahunu ne nsa hohoro nti wane mpanimfo to nsadedie no wono no wotena dwam Abrempong Anamom Tuo yanam sa dwumade so be hye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se wonyire wo hono mo bra papa na daachi wo beye nipa akase wo beba abaye Abrempong kai eya Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia anwumra no so kosi anwumra no nwoche
Asampayetia obayansa fuso wo munubia won asam ze mafutu sam kakre wa asupeme yo kofi o man ya woman o mani ya mama yenyi baby akọ wacha za ya wareni ponsom wanyinyi pa asade pa wo fioye Gamo yembera ye ebe ya ifina Amaya umano
Ampa omai no yamini umie no emai Ya boy yembra ya da chibi yasu yebedi dawo Sa usom na misumisom ni yedie ebeboa yenia Indeed yedie ya yasu yebedi ye Simane poli enum apa eye enwumre no nso eho Abraso se dwumadi a wato din se Abrempong Anamom Tuo ye de eba wa kwan mu sade ye hye mo bono yɛse ɔman yi mu adikanfoɔ no ɛwɔ se yɛsuasua wɔn anamon na yɛso a yɛba no yɛtutu deɛ sisi mu na daakye bi yɛso yɛbɛyɛ abrempɔn enti wɔyɛ ready sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ abrempɔn anaa megidi yɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ abrempɔn ɛyɛ obi ani suade hunu sɛ daakye ankɔma bia no wɔno so yɛbɔ anipa titiriw edin a wɔno so ne di bɛbɛ mu bi ɛno nti na dwumadie yi ɛwɔ hɔ ɛde ma wo no na dwumadie yi so yɛnam so ne yɛne mpanyimfo akuku dam atitiri ne anintini wɔnom abrabɔ no wɔte nisuo ne nnɛ wɔnom ɛsere ɛkwan ɔfa so abɛdu baabi a waduru yi yɛne wɔn bɔ nkɔmmɔ ɛna afei wɔn akyerɛ yɛn baabi a wɔn ɛhyɛ aseɛ ne baabi a wɔn kɔduruyɛ baabi a na emu ɔdɛ baabi a na emu ɛnwono ne nyinaa no wɔn agya mu de agu ɔde ama yɛn yɛso a yɛsuasua wɔn no ne yɛakyekyere bi ne yɛde yɛn ne dɔsɔpɔ ne yɛde ahyɛ kotokuo mu eti yɛduru baabi na yɛ din a na afei yɛso yɛkae eti na wɔtwe atwa mu no ne yɛfiri aseɛ ne na wɔtwe wote ɛyɛ kyerɛ sɛ wokɔ ɛyɛ nkampuni mantam a despite media mu head of sports ɛyɛ owura ne din nso de Dan Kwaku Yeboah, what is that one? The senior, the international, the killer, Ahenkwana na wonu bremu, Kwame Yeboah, Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah, one ni bon komo, uti munsem, na one eba, ni modu, oye super duper, the international, Enyagro, where your boss, and then ne banner Esiano, Enyagro muade, aye Fiifi Banson, the dynamite, aka Kofi Jan, aha, so what aka Kofi Jan, opening the one sembebre na Peace FM na Odi Juma na ehwonom ensembebre o mempase mechirechirem na opanyini kakra menim the last time I meet here na bakosem na okan nsem was August 2020 na ye eda yawada na odi nkomo no na wo kan o kire mu se Peace FM fo na establish station no unim se no ye first person ya approach no pe wono ne nsam ana woka bebre wo ho a obeyi ede apie enti enche ye bekọ na wodi a wo so ebeye nie wodi ne se wo be hwe o Facebook ye live Ahenkan 93.3 FM ye live e wo ho kwa YouTube Ahenkan 93.3 FM dia me pese wo ye nie wokọ a na wa like wo se secure no wo ho na o like a na afi wa share na uchiri mu pasem no wadwenkyere de wusua firi opanyini ho na ni nyira wagye mu enso ede aguo ebreso a ye bekenkan enso ede amawo ye be ma wo kwanya na so wabo awuram sanse nu na di dwuma de uni honom a yeso ye ni ho enti wo de wo mu ni se wo so be frɛ na so wadwenkyere fa dwuma de ni ho no bibia ye di nkomo ni wi a na afi wo so de wadwenkyere ede aba ahomane ni ye 0201 944 485 021 944 485 and answer 0554 820 910 emu bia no obetumi enso afre so me pa chonye sisi a enkomo no edi ewia na afi wo dia ba WhatsApp and text message ni 059 0594 841 044 o de buy beje brane yakenkan e de amao eti sabe de ye tiesim na Fiifi Banson the dynamite aka Kofi Jan wodne aya Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah Ahenkwana na onu bremu na onu na ahia na yanhwe sɛ de nkomo no ebesi bi akɔ ɛyɛ owura Fiifi kana bakɔsɛm ɛwɔ nsɛm twadwuma mu babia wafa babia wabeduru ɛna hefa na ɔnenam ezaze bi si ankyɛda ntene nka owura radio show ne nyina mu no time kuchu na yenti ensim
tie Ahenkan 93.3 FM the best in the east yawo achim aboabo
me maka kyerɛ me ho sɛ daakye mɛyɛ nipa titiw mɛyere me ho abɔbra pa ayɛ bibi sonko abɛyɛ Abrempong daakye na wɔn so mo akwada wonyini obeto kan wonama na obisa kwababo enti tie Abrempong Anamom Tuo ye dwumadi a ye de aba Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia anwumre no so kwasi no nwotwe Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah ani nipa titiw nipa kase a wo ma ye bibi papa gidi abaye titiw Abrempong na enu nti wo bia pe o mabrabo mu nsamatie no betwetwe komo ebi ti se mpanimfu a o ma beti o man so pen mrahye bedwafo akuafo ensantwafo akase asoa asofo magidin nom abetwetwe nkomo Abrempong Anamom Tuo ebehye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se daachi obetimi ayekese abeye Abrempong enti hyane nso eya Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia nwumra no so kosi no nwotwe Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah akwadawe so awahunu ne nsa hohoro nti wane mpanifo to nsadedie no wono no wotena dwam Abrempong Anamom Tuo yanam sa dwumadie so behye mebunu nkran hye mebunu den se wonyire won no mo bra papa na daachi wobeye nipa akese wobeba abeye Abrempong kai eya Ahenkan 93.3 FM so efiada bia anwumra no so kosi anwumra no nwotwe
we adeshimama yemamadwo mama ha ema mwache de ba Ahenkan 93.3 FM yenjumedi ayatu din se Abrempong Anamom Tuo ane obi ni mochina obi ni mr obi sha abrabase benifo so obi ni ma obi chire intene Abrempong Anamom Tuo live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM and on Facebook and a YouTube channel no wo bete openi kese ba kwa wagidin e wo Ghana ha eba ensentro adwumamu a mpanifo se osafo nsa no ami Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah Ghana's international killer bobonia enimiti radio so na me radio so magic na se bibi etesa enam sa openi so na me so metimi tintim radio adwumamu a nyankopon adaroma metimi di Ahenkan FM aba enipa ben na meka na ho asem enumre eye miame boss mi radio mentor the the dynamite Fiifi Banson akra ye mo afishapa
afin kommetu ye na
pomboko de
nyame ehu ye mobo
na ne ntai fo kofi o kofi odi ya kata fo so ba ye share chekaka be some sis
ja bibia Accra stay by plan
that's right
kofi komos in bese
ya mo de ba kwa ka ho
eno no
Accra stay by plan but people don't know na babombo ko de
Kwame nyame krekra yen o
nyame ase
nyame krekra yen
that's right obi be say Fiifi Banson ye hwan ni Fiifi Banson
Kwame Fiifi Banson ye abrante bia wo fi sopon
that's right
ekura kitwe bi wo sopon na ye fe ho kuntu na kura ase do no hona mi free mada na ye wo mi won crying
okay
ye wo mi won crying na mini won crying
okay
na ye wo mi won crying no na chere se obatampa aba rose
the 78 years old woman
oh so with this 7 men for 8 nka ho
me that's all
eti no obatampa Rosina aba amankwa Samson
okay
ono ni me maame eni meja edi Isaac Anthony Kojobanson
okay
we no free ejuma kubisase but wo mo ko settle wo bibi ani
okay
nti wo mo nyin ko school mi na no e wo bibi ani ba me maame de ofi Salt Pond eni mankasim
okay
na se fanti for so de di ade ko ye na enchen nti no me hu se obi a me fi Salt Pond be kura ni no eni kuntu enti Fiifi Banson ye wo me no ye wo me wo maternity ward kitwe bi ane wo hospital kitwe bi ane wa Salam Down
friend saying
your friend Emily's maternity home
wow
yes auntie Emily ho kakra ho an ye wo me na me ma me wo me na wonya complications kakra nti rush me call Kolebu na nyame adom 15 December 1972 akmachin 5:15
sharp
na kofi
a drop way
abelande
wow that's all Ghana ni
David
kado be kebia
this is some
mo o figure so na person me
Kwame me Ghana ni mapa
that's right
me Ghana ni mapa ebi te say me fashion and toto ho me Ghana ni mapa
pure Ghana
100% Ghana 100% Fanti
wow
yes
okay till you on the 15th of December 1972 from that time now to see wabra bomunsem ma obedu adulthood na etisen
Kwame yenkola abrem de se usa de bia ye bro nyama
okay
usa those times my me eduma state insurance company na
oh okay
eduma state insurance na it was okay no my way fine and yes bia na chire so bia sa na ho chire nche de ni ho sa na wi ase na so nche da anye den sa
te se ne on
te se ne nti no nyo batan be yama ne badie
oyema
woyema me na ne emienu me ne me brother Penny
okay
ono judge sisi a Justice Bentum
wonderful
ye na efie ma me kro nti no me ni no me ko Prince of Peace International School ewo Awodome Estate na kai bubuashi na usen collaborate mu de obekọ nursery ne ade de nante nti me call St Michael's kakra and me best dey call Prince of Peace International School bubuashi we feel Prince of Peace no emuna in fact me what Prince of Peace ni mu na my stepfather you transfer ni call Gambia.
Okay.
No, Edma Ghana Airways those times. They didn't call Gambia.
Yeah, on my Gambia.
Because
your Gambia back or Sefi.
Okay. On my Gambia war she's off a plane ko.
Okay.
Such as she plane ko.
There
you know. Okay. Let's call Gambia kakra. Me go 2 years for Gambia. Me go school to Gambia for 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Now school in this St Joseph's International School. Gambia.
Then it's a private school.
A private school.
The next one could the private and name.
Aye. Until Honsu no na ye ne. Other na send President Jawara mo president no mo mba and then Bianca Abia
Kufado mana Mahama
Eco school ho. So Ghana Airways manager ambassador there. Ho na yes go school until no. Odi Eco school ho kakra. Until me go 2 years for ho. Until besa ba Ghana no na market 2 years. Na me meet time me omo primary school no. Maybe a common 2 years now. Class and the epidemic at the same time. Until I started me back 2 years. But now for me, you know, education and assembly asa until no. The two are so you common entrance. I done class 6. You common entrance. The best in conference school. I was Guamemu.
Okay.
Until a whole Nanipa born a bra 1 to 5. You buy and they 6 form private. After that, so when you go School of Journalism.
Okay.
Now you main charge you call School of Journalism. Koye journalism kakra. But then momo no. Na ni ewo mi mu pa na ye sports. Ball. Ko primary school na ball pa.
Wow.
Oh primary school kwa na me ball.
Na wo ko school nya na wani da so ba be ball boni.
Na enye se meye ball boni, but na meye ball ho adwuma.
Just a sporting activities.
Exactly. I was not looking at being a footballer.
Okay.
But I was looking at working in the football industry. No.
Fine.
Also because na me nana. I am papa. Me mame papa.
O mame papa.
Yes. No.
Yes. O nana bema.
Me nana bema no. No. The late A.E. Samson. Tete no move board. Me na anim no. Se kofi mu na anim no.
Okay.
Na A.E. Samson no. One na no the whole Ashanti region. Ono we in charge of sports. Ono no ye Ohinijan Anemusini e Ashanti region.
Yes, everyone say regional director of sports.
Regional director of sports. Until no na Meshena I was inspired. Say Republicans money adhere to teams ni na no. Me no mama National Sports Council. No mama no papa.
Then say o ben
Tell me ben.
Dia kosu na wani tua.
Mama no ye Adrianema Republicans Football Club. No ye Adrianema wo mo kra ne ade. To say kofi mu na mo didi o mama fi sa ta mo ye footballers, young footballers.
Okay.
CKJ Fimone Infumone ade na obi e ne me mama because no mu na no. Because of papa. Me na be man ti no. Omu na ba ye fi ho be didi.
Wow.
Nti omu na you close. So nti football no was something I was excited about. Say definitely me you know me ye football ho adwuma. Into me what GIG ni na me major in sports journalism because that was my passion. But me was secondary school secondary school no one mu nim me pa be catch you say me was school ni na no commentary there na me ngini so obi run commentary sin
now run commentary brofo na twi
me run brofo but I met 3 stations number to run brofo you born to houses and enter schools and I be me run commentary. Into to me connected speakers. If his school failed, the bar dormitory site. So one to me be a park no so no.
No we take
commentary no. Me am call high speakers ne
one
PA system. Me am about ko bian so ma call high PA system wo Cape Coast memu. Na me ko see park no so. Na ma connect wires. Na one mo conference mo nim be a dormitory ne one be a park no e wa pa.
Ba no wani gide oye no.
Into me am connect wires no me to wires ne sa di copy dormitory. Na me ye commentary no wo ho. Say your house na ebo na your house ebo born dem bobi. My house ebo born na dey na me commentary no at the barometry. To na me year programs for school, entertainment night near there me to me ka say na me year sports highlight. Na my year.
That's a fancy film Kwame Yeboah.
Fancy film Kwame Yeboah. Na my year. Nti no sports no dey na e wo me mojem. Na me call form 1 no Kwame. Me ni one of the first form 1 boys say me punish me. Cynthia, me real school wall. Form 1 boy. I call Cape Coast Sudu Park. I call Hekotokone Dwarfs.
Hey, Form 1. What go school from?
Aye. To me real school wall. Na me call Cape Coast Sudu Park. Me call she Kotoko any Dwarfs. Until one sports master na check me. No, say what are you doing here? Na me say my hair boy. No, they me go school. No coach adoma me. Me do we the following week na me Sergeant Cape Coast Sports Stadium.
One triple.
There be house near Vipers. Me call her. And so me call her. No, San Chim. No, San me buy. The following week. No, San Chim. Dwarfs ne I'm say Olympics. Na me stadium. No, San Chim. No, San me aba. No, some say then they have me. Na me say more than call him kudi bone. Ntafi Sunday be do no afre me. Weekend ho am na worbo.
No, say nya den obo ba be.
No, so no 1:30 abra na ye na yenko.
Wow.
Tafi ono aso me nsem de me first school gate mu.
No do ko.
No de me ko stadium. Nya ko hwe ball. Na ye ba analysis am ye ma no. We hu say,
akwa na ti agro na se.
Until World Cup ni ade a ball ya na ye wo school na no. Ofre me ko ni fie say me hwe ball no ho. Ti me ne ye analysis of the match before the match will start.
No, yes, sports master now.
No, yes, sports master. Mr. Labi, may he rest in peace.
Amen.
You know, until no woman na ka ho. And na sports no.
When you
who may develop sports no.
Wow.
Until me dey we GIJ afina Abrempong heading. Kabe. And that from sir. Ti see mu say if you eja no I say edum. Until no say ya bo me pe kwan bi so a e boy e bra. Ma me dey obre ko dan papa ni picture no mu bebre sa. Until abaros bre pa. But about time why na adwene say obebe bibia ma ne mba de otwu mu tan
ya no be
ne ntema wa tongo wiase
ni nyane say ode be boa no wasi
yes just because of the person of the boy keke me this year enti no you see mu kakra sa emu na efiere afo so mu hunipa moboy etua
wakosha
itua wakosha
na ni nyina ye nkran brabo
Kwame
fancy film now boarding house and now
no boarding house
okay tell them mouth in fancy say school na mouth free nkran kakra
yes okay to form 3 now you hear me house captain to form 1 for the ma jomo aduane to me jomo sardine ma jomo say ma turn locker man on so no boarding school life to me just sardine ni ade ni na ni omusika de boarding ai locker sika ni na na me afa ka bank kan.
How the bed?
I'm the Abrempong man, I'm a sanko. It's can be a bit fee. Cause school they make a dining hall.
Yeah, we did do school.
But I'm maybe a bit fee.
Sometimes no money.
Not there,
Momo.
I don't feel him. I mean, Oba, the turn lock amount. So, me turn lock amount, turn padlock. Padlock in a pull and 10. I said that. To be turning now, I met amount. We have form 1 boy. It's by all means so better. Me ton ma ma ton prayer ma ton bibia ma jusqu'à na ma jo sardine ma safa sardine mi ensemble anti say fan say me dormitory so nipa 15 e wo ho a me jo bia sardine mienu no at 30 sardines
na koto
na me keep it 10 old school na 20 na academics kana menya no na me dia faka ma to gare wo Cape Coast market na faka na me dia bank cry na me dia brebe ma me mu fie na ma fan ko.
Wow.
Because my niece are no comedy or movie. No, my grandmother is the greatest woman I have ever known in my life. The inspirers of my life. She's the greatest woman. May she rest in peace.
Wow.
The greatest woman I have ever known.
But you're not Dini saying
Elizabeth Ikua Ejima Hagen. What am I doing about no? Because some I mean the virtues there.
An odd thing.
Yes. Oh, not check my Bible's kind fitty class. Baby, in fear 9, not check my Bible kind. To me, kind fancy Bible from like age 4.
To a Christian.
Papa. Sorry. Me call Calvary Methodist Church.
Now, I see the way.
Minjai per se, but me worry, you know.
Okay.
Me call ICGC Yahweh Temple.
Oh, okay.
Me request, sorry.
Okay.
And you know, I am me record the same church.
Okay.
Uma me didn't construct Calvary, but usually no ICGC no so bear me. Until usually I go to Yahweh Temple. It's my la would do Hokobompai.
Adeshima Magusu eti Abrempong Anamom Tuo live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Sisi de me Miami boss na yesin kunwa. Kwan ya ofa so efefe ebedu bebe wadua ene yefe ne Fiifi Banson. Eno ho na yegusu ayetu anamon kakra. Botai ni se Abrante na baba wa bia wuti anopa wie no mre. Obetime sua bibia frim. Ana bibia tu kotodwem. Ebia wati di ne Fiifi Banson the dynamite. Radio ne journalism adwuma wagidi mu pa ba wonim ekwan a ofa so a obedu bebe wadui. Ebia na ne nsem ba ko mienu miense bi ahye wo nkran na ahye wo dene na won so wati na bobra no e de akọ anim wate se wakọ school kakra o Gambia wakọ primary school o Ghana ha akọ school on Fanspem akola wo ye du ko school timi hiri wo na wakọ park akọye bo ne achew passion a na owo e de ma de o ye nitino na bamem minimara se ne school no to aso so de kogu nchen yo yanko e de yanko ti the dynamite himself once again into Kofi after Fanspem oba GIG after GIG no na sports na opese oye ho adwuma no na da so wo mu na ne wo mu a Kwame na opese fa so a epia bonten
Kwame na me gidi se me de me ho bon won a wo mo di kan wo se adwuma no mu a ebesi me ye
okay
enti no sport ne de at that time no ma de me ni ene na enu hwe ni pa me de me ho bon a
abeboa
me because already you interest and passion wo ho intaka obi so wonsam do we train you na why ntimi hwe ya na hu say obi tse Kwame Yeboah obi tun Yeboah me ntimi ko ne ho
unya access to him
oh yes me ko so the issue is that one day there was a newspaper called New Era. Okay. Before New Era started, there was a newspaper called Horizon newspaper.
Okay.
Now Horizon, no me Morris Kwanza. I don't know yejuma. Still Ghana not show paper or show sports man. Nti Morris so there me no was out of the call. Nti o man na me see o. But Morris yejuma me go say kwan da ho a. Me call here no be 1 year. In fact, many Morris me ko no adwuma makota na nchen won the desk so story bi na my yebi. Story bi na my yebi. Hoping say comfort be family adwuma mu ho. How me yes 1 year no mo family. But dey bi na me ko adwuma.
Obema mu
dey bi me ko adwuma. But na me no official staff of the company. But every day I go to work. Me dress Fiifi say me ko adwuma pepepe.
Okonso oye bibi.
Oh, because I'm got some Morris in chain. Now stories ni bi wo ho na me edit. Ibu wana me throw stories ni bi Champions League story those times Cup winners cup stories na me throw bi. Na the internet editor no if any write man na mo akon. O shot na me throw ade na. I say you are a good writer. Okay, you keep coming. Let me see you. To me bia me call Kwame bia me call.
Next ka say mo mo.
There be entia me business ka sem krada.
1 year na ko nyina.
Me business ka sem da. Me ko bisa ha say patron me tia me bisa bi da. Me feel wa Odome estate. Office no next to graphic me nantifi Awodome and ma fa cemetery kwan no so maybe pie STC ma wo ma fa Guinness kwan that na Guinness wo ma fa kwa be pie Toyota ma fa left ho na chese mi ano no me dru ho no graphic ano no tire bia me trip ano no but Morris Kwanza who say me bo modern nti afi etua Morris car no ma me bi oh yes may God bless that guy
amen.
Yetia Morris car. Mama kakra fi challenge fair transport. Ko bini na na tis out of doko. Morris mama na man aduane di. Ono hwe. Nti ye di ne sa nti da corona. Yes, I know because I was still writing for the paper near the end with me stadium. You are meeting Kaltufo, you are meeting Kofi Opariado, you are meeting Papa Pinto, you are meeting Ohimba Charles Mu, you are meeting all the big stars.
And the gurus which are
Gurus who can be there, Comunia, they can be there, Copo, the 7 year Monetina, Udome Estate, Intino, Unimi, Papa. Tia, who says, I want almost my way, don't you, mammy? Wait, Koi, are you, mammy? Wait,
that's a boy, Diabem.
Kofa line up, dressing room, Koji line up, Nebremi, Makoji line up, Nam dia bread. Now more your commentary was so Makoji line up, Nam dia ba. Wait, Koi, half time, Kotoki Baba Brain, Makotaba, Tam, the Diomuchis, I put no more Tomokom, no Konam from Fitu Stadium. We are mask, but the joy was the fact that almost much money.
The crowd was the before me do any can cry small.
Because I knew my time will come.
Now people when you saw now what target being
God had told me my time will come.
So for me, shall come.
I mean, so for be a crowd for.
I didn't say what time will come.
Because me who say, man, when I can't say me, or say hard work pays. Edmadin, a home for so, a home akitia.
No clear.
And you know, me who say Edmadini bina, mayor. But a home akitia no, a beba. Into mam, oh no, man, Papa Kwame. Into stadium, ya, and a dark row. Me call Kwame Yeboah. It was stadium. Me who knows the Braka Ramsey, me who, not so, my office was Osukuku Hill and Abra. Because already don't need me because I was almost once for me. And I da. Me pay time na me call no. To do in the office am so, but me trauma the paper no. Also okay. Nsate me trauma Africa Sports. To me trauma commander. Even 90 year old me na me their brain was Sunrise Hotel no about tennis so when you bring bia. I'm their brain was Sunrise. You can home publish it.
But I discourage you.
No. That about publishing no so no. Me am top paper ni bi wo me area ho.
What kind?
My kind. Me who dem din bom. Me ba line bom Fiifi Banson.
That's right.
The story was be a small space story no. Until one day na Koba na say Herbert Mensah. FA Cup, English FA Cup are e fie. Na tata na multi choice aba foforo. To mo ye FA Cup now invite journalist. E bo ba ni fie, e be didi na ye hwe ball no na ye argument. But because I had been going to the stadium a lot, you know, information about the minya bi. Return radio go that started. Almost test transmission. To copy a honor, I could share a call Bedu, Kwekubu for Ajama, money at the Muna so by. Tiabon Commodie Muna, no, catch a call Bedu say, oh, my radio station has started. Me, yes, possible. But some day whom I has a meeting, I find in my sports at my station. No, so Monday. Yeah, brother, come and let's have a chat on Monday.
Our radio no so.
Our radio no so. Because Kwame himself said, but for the me embrace me. Na me pe cardinal a canon sing a trono.
Okay.
And him say, oh, okay, that's a Monday. Embrace me hono. Na me say okay. Till Monday do ye. I guess come the beko.
Akwanya number. Na guess ka the beko.
Kwame na me 90 fi Saturday call. They call it a biokoshi.
Radio good.
To me do my no ton. Maybe so ton ade o biana se wo radio good ho a. Kotan in chance na me nko ba bia no. Cause I say me ho kakra ansa. And I me dey call radio good. To me do on am catch them say oh, me na me hu no Saturday na me say no so yeah. Charlie, you know next week no member na next week bi o.
What's the banana have a chat and I feel could do I that
next week remember na yen kasa. I'm so okay. But that weekend na Herbert Mensah organize be a friend Max Brito games.
Na no so then.
Na Abrante bia or ball rugby or nya or paralyze Na Herbert ye games to raise funds for him. So that time na no Ali Jara so pra. Into no mo Ali Jara ka ho e raise funds to support Ali Jara. So I was like, okay. So the following week, me call my Brito games ni bi. E ko hwe bi. Until Monday no, na me san call radio go back. To me do ye no mo si oh. Men train kakra. No me sports 3 o'clock. We do be 12:31.
That's all train.
Also, me train sports 3 o'clock. Na guy no be sports ne bar. Obe introduce me ama no.
Okay. So be here.
Na me na kasa. Na me say okay. To them to reception ho. Kwame Tata na me trousers here me no. black back on brown back on a shirt 2 one white shirt and one blue shirt.
Wonderful.
Over back on saying home and war.
Canada we me.
Papa was here back. Kambu be another war. We shall I say be I say any mad work or yaiku. And in Pakwan Koba Isa money.
Abu
Isa money. Sports person in Koba, Abu Isa money. Tabu by no say who be the sports guy where they say he day here? I'm so bad. No say or train Kwame Yeboah. Or say Kwame Yeboah bus studio. No more discussing Max Brito games no. Now Kwame Yeboah buy the time this was so. Now me hear games ni bia now I'm say I. No so can I talk about the games? I'm say yeah. No say Enco studio.
The great Abu Isa money, not the co studio.
Not the Mirror studio. But Kasani in Jemuno. That man 1990 GBC. Ni lante Vanda poem say because time I made sure
the current MP for
yes. Time I made sure quite stories in there also. Time I made sure a paper ni na no. Na ni lante so no me production man ni lante e wo GBC. Ntino no so ma me chance da e wo radio so. Say me koye stories we buy. Me koye stories we buy. Ono no present it. But one day koye story ni buy no share that dodge office studio time so aso. Ni say me ko present it. Saturday me presenting and no be join me chi no Saturday you say obo say you are a sports presenter, you can do it.
To Osheda.
You wanted to give me an opportunity.
And then now soon no I
was very, 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 very humble and serviceable to Nilante. Because maybe your best one said me call your story in Babyano.
Now
me bisano one CD meko. Me call your story in the aba. It was GBC 2. So those were part of that was our confidence to sit behind a microphone. Because now GBC training kakra wo me.
Yeah.
Until me got to know Isa money enim no. No be say, how do I introduce you? I'm so you can introduce me as Fiifi Banson, sports analyst.
Wow, man, title.
Me man who title. I mean, who title. So sports analyst. No, so okay. And straight away, I start the introduction of the program. No introducing me. Na Kwame, apo na me wo egu mitrim no.
Now intro.
There be. Fit 1934 World Cup. I copy sa time the World Cup na no. Minim ubia o share go World Cup no mo. Minim matches omo boy ni na at that time. Minim goals omo share no so omo di omo ti on omo 9 share ye. Minim minute omo share goal no. Minim team bi obo World Cup ni players. Fit 1934 up to that time.
Na then amount to me chi we nyina go team no.
Because of my upbringing with people like Odi Ahenkan Kwame, I had become a sports historian. I had enjoyed reading the history of sports.
Now be part of you.
I be a part of me. Because I asked myself, say, they make me looking different from regular sports presenters. It's not just the analysis, but let me add something that is rare. Which is the history of sports. Until me read it on the history of sports. So that internet cafe be any hole. Until we call Degi, we call BAM Library, we call Accra Central Library, we call her stories, we call graphic, we call some more old papers room ho. That may kind old stories of Kofi Bedumu, Nyomo Troye, former editor of graphic Kofi Bedu.
Wow.
Now chief of staff of Menchia. Stories of Matro back in the days in the 60s and 70s. I was just reading about them. Because I wanted to be different from sports presenters.
That's what dance.
Yes. I was reading all those pieces. Coupled with Kembedia Koso Trobuka, the Majinamikai.
To already good studio no one popo.
Debbie.
One shaky.
Debbie.
Bibian Torso.
Debbie.
Who say a quenya be say prove one.
I saw it as God deliberately did not allow Kwame Yeboah to come. Because but the coupon see Kwame Yeboah kwine. Ama me to me aba your program no.
Program no course that day.
Kwame, you program no. Before you program no, or call break 2. Breaks 2 no call and he was forced to go on those breaks. Because we have 2 phone calls in the studio from your official office line. First was Mr. Bafoboni. May he rest in peace. But for born friend say, hey, Abu, boy, why? No, say, Jim, I am a small boy, you. Nah, he seems to know his stuff, but money train. Hey, and I could go for my so free. Say, Abu, who be this guy? The guy is very eloquent and he knows the stuff. No, say yes, Charlie, make you wait. After the program, make you wait. Tabu catch me say the bosses are fresh. Say your phone show now. Main train. To come here, we show now. Obi a phone time no. Obi afraid bia. It's a money. Charlie, your analyst in the studio, he's on point. He's sharp. He's this. He's that. They were not discussing the issue. They were discussing me.
Now so to know
Kwame, I was just saying to myself, God, this is my time. God, this is my time. God, this is my time. That I'm catching. God, this is my time. And see, you real program now. You pay about number for bonnet. We drive it in. We drew her. I do not say, hey, what am I show? No. Say, I no. Or sure it was so near. See,
oh, trousers back. No,
trousers. We should have a share.
Are you going to go for Gambu?
Charlie, you're not you, Kwame.
Amen.
You're not you. I'm not going to bicycle so I should go to them. You're not you, Kwame.
What's up, there? Can
I don't know. You know Kwame.
Yeah. I did not. The one not that door follows into the business. Oh, yeah,
I said, where do you work? I'm the chief. I don't work. I said, you don't work? I'm saying, no, I don't work. I'm a stringer. No, so what do you mean by you're a stringer? I'm so I write for papers and other things. No, so would you like to work here? And Bisa will say, are you kidding me?
And then
let me say, oh yes, I like to work here. No, so okay. When can you start work?
Hey.
No, I'm saying tomorrow.
Sharp.
No, so okay. Why no a friend? My paper. No, sure. What's your full name? Say Fiifi Banson. No, sure. Okay. Your salary is 30 cedis a month. Okay. That was my first salary. 30 cedis a month. 30 cedis a month. Okay.
Now, who can only say, "Oh, go ahead, my salary."
Debbie.
When you instant employment.
30 cedis a month. Okay. No, I'm saying okay, sir. No, shame me. Where do you stay? I'm South Odoko. No, say, so how did you get here? I'm saying I walked.
Oh.
No, say you walk from South Odoko to this place. You see, yeah. No, so I can say back one. Or don't know your breath for.
To what you say?
Or Tiasie. To shame me, no, you 20 on Kotokum. After wherever you are, may God keep your soul. And or mommy 20 cedis at that time.
But you are more than half quarter.
No, so me 20 cedis. I mean, got shirts near there.
They look nice.
Mommy watch now. Remember the following day. At least me watch. Me use watch now. For shirts, me I remember the following day. I'm saying that I say. To me Pierre Bonting. Nana, me Pierre Bonting no. Me nanti fi Radio Gold eba kaneshi. Me who say me nam.
Aden.
There were a lot of things on my mind.
You might be because we trip.
Yes, say. Hey, mini. Nyame, ampa.
That's a winning need.
Me use kadon button, my share. Button. Me inside shall a crescent one bottom. So we are confident when we say sketch a button.
Okay.
That was in 94-95.
Okay.
94-95, thereabout. So we say, hey, Kwame. And then, yeah, it's about 95. 95, they call end of the year.
Okay.
Because 96, the Atlanta Olympics. Okay, so 95, end of the year. Okay. Not really good, starting in March. And then we call on 95 towards, it was around July.
That's what about test about 3 months.
Yeah, July. Kwame, when I take a Kaneshi, we call force for them. Could you shirts? You shirts be 10. You trousers, you way, him pabo be 2 count, you trainer back on shoe and cassa back, black back, brown back.
Yeah, that's one thing to me, Diga.
I mean, Diga,
send him a
Sherobem, the coffee. Cohorina, fine. Hatai. Kwame, I did change me, the following day, it's on me, Jack craft for transport.
Okay.
Today, it's on here. Fine. If I willow broke, that's another willow broke, bass no. Kaneshi Odoko,
yeah.
Five BC Kaneshi, na me fa Zongo Junction. let me see what
Atavia Koshi
Radio Go the name ho for a link road see what I'm called name ho. Oh yeah, you come, yeah, boys Nina. Oh, you come, yeah. Koto Sefa, Koto Bibi Manson, Koto Benji Kumasa, Koto Kukubu Afajimai, Koto Yvonne Ando. Oh, you guys, oh, Charlie, you come, yeah, okay.
That time now, Kwame Sefa can you well?
Now Kwame no yeah showbiz.
Okay.
And I know about reggae. Meaning to say no real, so they
Kwame
Sefa can. No about reggae, but Kwame was very good at. Because Kwame, his English was great.
Okay.
And you know, it was like a collection of young boys comedying. Because Kwame was not comedy pa. Because no nantifi ukpongulu, the fat trotro, and so about radio good 4 years. It's a reggae. It's a reggae. It's I don't know. You to be trying to say, hey, from Awudome, you talk as first. Yeah. Maybe come from Awudome to Benz. Not so I just from Okponglu to Benz. Not so to Benz. So it was part of our history. But Kwame, no. So I started Radio Gold. So I pay me Kokoye Sports.
And even say and Saint Redmond na all passion to do sports, you know. Radio Gold and the first opportunity.
GBC2. Okay. The first opportunity.
But as employment there,
Radio Gold.
Yes.
As employment there, Radio Gold.
Okay.
GBC2, courtesy Nilante Van der Poel. But employment there, Radio
so
Gold.
So we are Juman yet starting with Radio Gold.
Yes. Radio Gold.
So okay, that time, no this time, now quality net saying.
Oh, Kwame.
And then
radio I say you. Until you will be actually on Fiifi radio, no sir. I say.
Then I'm gonna say.
There will be brave.
Competition na radio na doors one na nipa na ye na.
First of all, radio na doors one and two nkrasefo adoors on radio no so.
Ye nkrasefo ya be ha dwen.
Enye someone be ha dwen. Some so wonye krase ni. Ye ka say obi ye krase ni a. Enye tell say obi keke ofie krase.
Okay.
Ye go say in our terms no.
Yeah.
Ye dey say you na nkrasefo, but you dey ofie krase.
Ofie so kuma.
Yeah, ofie kuntu.
Okay.
Well, but ye can say nkrasefo doors one. Sabi wo amunye enye se omuye radio. Wo amun fata se omuye radio. Na ye radio. Because that's why it most started 3 stations no. That are there back open isi omweni so. So omuye manka obia ate ase ne ye kan radio. So na nko radio anko ye se nipa ka kre bi pe na ese tie radio.
Because mo the brofo na start.
Yeah, the brofo na start. But despite mo the 3 and the ba ma obia masses obia tumi ate bi. But one mudi eche ba eni na no obia amfa bibi foforo bia ambeka ho ni despite most start here no obia ba obeso ye bi ete na obi ton pure water we want to ye to obia be so be pure water company obia so be pure water company no so they see the same area. Nobody was thinking outside the box until despite came. What I say? A lot of people are afa enkofo omu radio stations no. Kwame bisa one kasa po awote he bisa ho say since I will buy Peace FM how many years ago?
Close to 12 years now.
12 years ni station do ako for training da
uben on your own.
Exactly. Me training me na I did it on my own.
Yeah.
Me view training na me na I did it on my own. Richard Kote mo na dey am call view America for training. How many radio owners and a boa radio owners radio presenters new station for training?
Momo time maybe your horse.
Na wo hobby brave.
Na GBC na mama na radio good.
GBC wo horse. GBC no go be a schools broadcast.
Okay.
Ubekwa kusua de. Brofo no kwa kusua brofo e dey hear broadcasting. Eso brofo e dey hear broadcasting, eso brofo e dey bonkomo.
Adwuma bia wo ho aka de.
Yes. Into phonetics near dear is here or GBC and the dear nam up till now. But also yeah, I say English stations in Joy FM.
Yeah.
How about training pa
City in society.
City year training. So why is it that English stations in Kwana year training? Now local account stations no year training. Me 15 years I did what Peace FM. Officially be a year training your hobby other. It is a one call out of your way. Uncle, your training be to improve yourself, knowing what you are looking for now. What you have to take 50 years now uncle training that. What does it? Radio Gold used to organize training for us almost like every 2-3 months. We are a caucus, a training. Training.
Exactly.
Training, you know, first of all, there were days I did bash here. Program we are here, we are okay, we are here, ye bash you be
As on phone, so I hear.
If any headings, headings, you call heady here. But you don't take it personal because to help you improve. Exactly. But local stations, no, how many of them take people out for training? We are radio presenter. Wabing. We call SCI, maybe my mouse is here.
But my pension is
Debbie.
Na Yeboah monso.
Kwame Yeboah pa.
Until then at this time yenye right. Na yentimi nya dwuma ni yi said the mo munya ni yi bepem sabri.
Kwame say, you see ano radio stations dey ma politicians fan radio stations na fa. Owners of radio stations na TV stations na politicians. Until or set up station no for a certain agenda. No I show why who say Kwame we be MPP ni na be NDC ni.
Answer
no afra waba. Kwame agenda ni ni. Fiifi we MPP ni na NDC ni, we MPP ni be join in. And I NDC ni be join in. So, we are selecting people based on party lines where they want to, so that it fits into agenda na nipano and they set it up radio and our TV station.
That's true.
So, there's nothing wrong with say wait mama Radio Gold INDC station, Net 2 AMPP station. There's nothing wrong with it.
But we must be professional.
There is nothing wrong with it. But unya ko shahona say me mama Net 2 AMPP intina me waha. But it doesn't mean say no Ukraine na wuka. And our Radio Gold and this is the station in Radio Gold. Tinenya no Ukraine na America.
E man na igmo Radio Gold now you NDC ni.
Kwame me party that mean abaka me too be that at that time.
Tina all the passion how do you work?
Kwame me koye sports me ko dream me home. Me koye sports. That I know interest in say it means some money and battle money are there no we want to hold them accountable for the things in the sports industry. That was what we were thinking about. We're not thinking about who is giving you what or who is giving you money. No. Because we were paid by the station.
Then we okay so.
My first travel I travel here. Minister Dika say, oh, wouldn't say me most because they say you do 2 coiner, or this team do 2 coiner. You buy not just no money be and I'm so since I didn't patron honorable patron special Manenka.
Now honorable no pay bibia ma wakwantu no. Say bia mo kwanyu ma bi tisi a won kan.
Honorable no be ma me opportunity dey to coin. And the national team to coin. Because yeah the ono ma me opportunity na me national team to coin dia. Nya me hu obi a me ba me nye din. Aye. Let me catch you and say I am going there in the interest of millions of people who listen to my station. Into me ko hu bibi a enye na me nye din. Na me mba na later some be pia. Na me station for me some say now call ya some we see now buy one meka. Into we say be ya say dem come trip no o manenka.
Integrity.
Na me go catch Radio Gold for say na esi. Na Radio Gold for some best sponsor me mama. So Radio Gold paid for me to go on that trip with the Black Stars.
Near country when?
Near Germany.
Wow.
So we traveled with the team to Germany. No me see wo na mekai.
Because now we station etawachi.
Including all the foolish things that happened. Mekai, me reporting in now from there. Now me reporting we are. Now penifo na frɛ wɔ hɔ, afrɛ wɔ ha say, now bibi sa na we hu wɔ hɔ a, try na oba poe. Ni atranse. I'm saying no, I'm reporting what I am seeing.
Because I don't cause report.
Because I didn't cause I'm reporting what I am seeing. But me say who say next na radio ni tiara. Probably there will be a drain in bottom.
Yeah.
But I don't also blame them that much. Because the radio owners are not paying well. And the radio owners are not defending their presenters. They are not protecting their presenters. I'm not protecting presenters.
The presenter be banana as a aponama.
I am happy now you are an owner of a radio station.
True.
You must give your people training. My catcher say, I can find time and come to Abu Abu and come and give your boys a 1-day training on broadcasting. I'll do it for you for free.
Thank you.
Because I know what you have. I know where you're coming from. and I know where you want to go. So what I say?
It is say.
But radio owners, no, I see a training my for, and we have to let the radio presenters feel say, me ko kan asem we na asem kraba. My station be jinamechi. A protect me. Because on asma me kan menim say e no crazy no station no be protect me.
Eboa presenter na eboa adwuma ni.
Eboa presenter no eboa adwuma ye no.
E kwan ben so na eboa presenter.
Eboa presenter no man to me ye na adwin say. First of all, me the no credible be ye adwuma. I want to do a good research, find out the truth of the matter, and let people know say my station we ye credible. The station can't assemble. Maybe can't assemble on behalf of the station now. Obi agitum.
So station with the Kromonka.
Debbie. Because go for the stations di. Mo. Assembly banners on papers no. Ibu ha fa nya asem. But who graphic no a.
Assembly di mo.
Yeah, graphic no.
And then no cre.
No cre. Sanity.
Abrempong Anamom Tuo na guso a utie Fiifi the Dynamite Banson. What tears on one kasa ne dim. Said the be adwuma ne be yie. Impuntu wom entra wom kululu wom nyina no oye me boss oye me mentor oye me senior oye me everything ti bebe me medu no watra ho ntine mpanifo se bebe apani bi hu no akwala gina dua so kora nya de obede obehu nti wabobo nnuma bi so a sede ono sha ase ne first pay to ya brand na oye adwuma bi be afe ni ntu aka ma ne ha bo mbra wa bre enso ogina ne na so the first pay just 30 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
30 cedis. Intendei adwuma bi a woye no se be ma onsa kwa no na enye kro no kwa susomu kakra kra so obi nim Abrempong ahyase me be share Fiifi Banson e Peace FM 2006-2007 my 7 na me tie Fiifi Banson radio good me tie Fiifi Banson Peace FM me hu Fiifi Banson say as a radio no e so no as a the be bari be hye bia Fiifi timi to nyom obo drive or yes sports me ni be bari Fiifi Banson be hye radio ma untimi nye from radio good no e ban the send out back Peace FM
Kwame if you radio gold na no say sports they call radio gold but na okwenya be da ho so say music program chance be da ho na me yebi
okay
Saturday evenings na nipa na so be bono pamba MTC so metre mama no the ball first day we high life we na ba for born friend say hey abo nyum sa no na wo ni nyum sa I'm so oh what family bad this how but the pakona na so ba na Benji Kumasa may he rest in peace and na Benji friend say Charlie the Saturday the way you play music this Saturday I don't go come so we go play
hey
and na Saturday no so Benji am pampa I'm saying koje but me koje say me bono na me say then na metumi dey aka ho e man aye de aye nyum ho I'm starting to be a friend teachers classroom
teachers classroom
and
now you dey
I don't need suan kofo kasa into me suan rollings
when did teachers classroom the man
me na me did buy cause I me di akosampo for je enyum teacher for enyum no and na me dey music team until me say ya go school we are marching to our classrooms I enyum
na akosampo for je
me dey start here say the teachers classroom you know they say sabi e fantini so kakra ntino concert no will be Allah and dey we ntino teachers class show no start say imitate Rollins you imitate satana me imitate me afia konadu
okuntie
me fa the crazy there you know nti you imitate me am kwa na start here me imitating ko for sa nti ba for born friend no say hey who na hear Rollins is no
no Satan no so Rollins
there be na me show cause we know say radio so onto nya me
okay Satan no a president
that guy no wadjo onto nya he
na democracy na ba
na radio go no kramate say ato ahoy mo dia
and you be so fie
omo ya me omo friend no kra ato ahoy me bela
okay
nti ato ahoy radio gold for the friend back when the friend say o ato ahoy ho na Mayor Rollins no omo asre sa so the following week, Mr. Year Rollins biom.
Hey, from your own creativity.
Yes. So the following week, you know, let me say, maybe I interview Rollins. nti no me frɛ kwesi ani magye am so kwesi wo bɛyɛ interview no na me nyɛ Rollins no kwesi ani magye no so agyi me kra sɛ bia
Don't be interview.
no la be interview
We are Fiifi Rollins.
me na be Fiifi Rollins no interview to me kasa say Rollins no Kwame say na me see here no at that time you program no na radio go abonten ho na ayema.
Wow. Apolice for na soldier for na timemufo
no mo tete area ho ne ade na
no movie say Rollins about
what
what
about gate na no officer rate about station
free jeto
to me na Rollins ahero eh na guy bi so parking in motor kese bi
esi ho
e wo gate na no
ti afa
to mo feel say Rollins go for the motor no mo kem oh di ma ye the AFRC nya di ma jen san to one guy back to studio was say hey you people ko say dem we asem say about them say asem men you let me hear you to me fast say we be wo with you fast
we jeje dem go
and I say ko sha about who na ye ma mfu say Rollins wa ha ti ye program no mo say mo train Rollins na ye fa second gate no mo wow ni pia bonten ye me ni ko see nante ya de ko e
away
for the exam ha ma dey almost an adu 12 no mo say e bia na nya no krem so that is how it started then now every week
yeah
show ko say ni meje so be start so
na oye en sports ni na
e ni na Saturday night in the variety entertainment I say you be rough keke but na nya come on radio so
that's right.
It was any media so to me imitating Nelson Mandela pa.
Okay.
Also to me yes for born hwene Nelson Mandela pa pepe. I Nelson Mandela. O kasat se pepe. You know until na where everybody had a talent of ability say
you be abeti me ayo.
And Mickey was able to be ho.
Yeah, Mickey.
So it became a full-blown show. Kwame, people look forward to Saturday evenings like nobody's business.
On Radio Go.
I tell you, Kwame. Until that corona, I'm catch him say, Rollins so home.
Hey,
I'm say, GM, how they been called? No say, me do call. No, they me call Rollins fee. The call na catch Rollins say, me na
imitating
no. Now Rollins say, hey. You're the one who's been imitating me? Now me say, yes, I'm the one.
Hey,
to me, yeah, yes, I'm the one. Now I said no, or you been to me can't say no, or hey when no I say, and where did you learn that from? Now I'm showing them say, I'm a member of the AFRC. No, 2-3.
wow.
So we all laughed. No, I say, you're doing a very, very good job. You're doing a very good job. I like what you're doing. It's diffusing the tension in society. So I want to let you know that I'm your number one fan on radio on Saturday evenings.
Wow.
I'm saying,
wow. The sitting president.
Oh yes, at that time. You know, may he rest in peace. Unable for born in you know. So we drove back to radio go after them in Vim.
My penalty media the
my penalty were there you that.
Yes sir.
So we became, that's how we became, you know. But no one that crow. Me nya call from Nat Sankofa Theater.
They know what you.
Yes. Me and Sankofa. Say nkan yonko me no your term nkan yonko. Nkan yonko. Yes station ya be umba.
Tata no we age mo piece of film.
Tata no we almost at piece transmission.
1999.
Yes. What's that test translation piece? Oh, you're going to I'm so Charlie Sankofa me there. Also Charlie Branding come. We need to go share. So Charlie Papa no or you see.
Yeah, say come despite.
Yes. Or vision. So you see. I was okay. Yeah, sure. See, the didn't come, but I wasn't too keen on moving. Because before such a really good opportunity, I wasn't too keen on moving.
That's an way, maybe how many years already good?
Oh, 95 to about 99. So I was like 4 years, I was 5 years.
Okay.
So ya bon komo no see o. Okay. But me share this fight. I'm say Debbie. Man, I mean share yet. Oh, Charlie, share na. Come here.
The best in the East.
Tidako. No, I no friend me, but I Charlie Kwame. Sometimes me feel so still feel.
Ejad them.
Na na tam Saturday you two man ya bi ma. Ya koda obi man twa bi ma Charlie.
I know den.
Timi say na really good before he say ko bi sa alone bi me nya. Ti peace for no sankofa di enimu ana me say sankofa. Papa the one sky on chiso mom sky for e mu do. I say cause me dream sika me nya
Mama me nya
be di ama me ma me rent dan. Nti enye sika me pese bia
ko to buy no
trophy bia o there be. But I had become big on radio and they liked me and that's why I thought that he needed me on his station because one me bro for me can two me local language in tree no with the tree meeting crime we can find it to feel me bar a dream be say station in crossing for station I did kind of a dream you know I better son cause me the bro for me afra frame me correct bro for so wa haka crime
yeah
so for me now were okay with English near there but they wanted me to come because I thought I was a big force
give me so I hit your town
yes to me call because I say hey Charlie here o kasaya so the father name sort it out bibia to so okay share father name sort it out no mommy that time 1999 Kwame 30 million cedis
and then 3,000 Ghana cedis 1999
30 million cedis
Kofine news can to
Kwame egu bottom
now hopo
egu bottom near mommy Benz back kan
30 million no
yes
some of Benz back kan
because now a Rofori
Dr. Forisapon
e wo Benz bi si I don't use so
am say farmer no
V boot that V boot pa GR 9000D
car number no that's who dream
e wo bitrim pa Kwame dey refi GR 9000D e dey kan 30 million no and I'm saying rent a 2-bedroom apartment man wa denta
house and down
because that radio good that mommy baby my mate will tabi okoshi one room do will tabi okoshi abete
one room you have radio go
good for ni na ayete like if for a good house to me dining Sefa dining Benji dining you know we were all together in the same house good into an antico ejuma into 30 million cedis plus one Mercedes Benz V boot
that's 2-bedroom
rented apartment in Adenta. And now my salary I here. My salary no. My salary was about it was about 1,002 to 1,005. At that time, 1999.
That now everyone say you have come to stay. What be a big man?
Yeah.
You have been poached.
I've been poached. Until day now, my mommy, my junior man. A day before, I'm the mommy was sassy or bawe. Our toy at check. Because assassin no wa. I mean, I'm a Nante ya call bawe. If I can't see by Nante, but assassin we don't when you were. Na me cousin na beto no here. Me ne Nante call ho. Pillars no. So it's assassin no. Na Fiifi Junction so the call baby assassin no one. And the brag bawe na ye crew. Fiifi Junction so the call baby assassin no one. I bet say Fiifi 37.
Oh.
Ti Nante. Ena eja ko hu pillars no so di na sisi. Father me ball pa say
one class.
I'm class money. Na me schoolmate ba ko bi. Oye contractor was so hydro. Na ye friend no. To bank right sa dana. Na me say Jack ko akọ this KB auction am pese CBB ma abewa no wale.
Lady.
No see oh. Everything I hear. Tade na me call father ho. No pay 30 million no.
Few swam.
No there's or bag kesi bin black bag bin no the mama. Yini na o se tata na almost cassette ni ntino. Skani na yabu
tie
bubu.
Ya chichire bare.
Yi bond sa 30. I'm je was a car ne nam so car ne de ma befa ten de o man si ho ti dis kanu na me call free contractor no straight na me 30 million na amount me yi wan see the crowd odi dwane yanko wa ha me
na so mistake ben ayen
Kwame o na me nim no
okay
e wo gidi wo no mu na me de man no me de man no Kwame sa da na me dis car 30 million man no sa da na onko sa te mo measurement sa te mo koto ndua sa te mo bo ye be foundation the bo pillars skadi go
adwuma nso de ska ho ane ye de
Kwame
be move
fast I say that you with them
answer about bonten
within 1 week only a cast it ye 2 ewie I'm so we put them because Charlie ye 2 bedroom be now also feel Canada made there 4 bedrooms.
Wow.
Yes. I'm so Charlie go ahead 2 4 bedroom yeah toilet bathroom be quiet and say it's blocks pa ya cast it in my another almost like 2-3 weeks so that me move here back adenta
so what baby che
move here back adenta straight to me cost site every day papa
che hono lediti 21 years ago
yes how am I meet here
adena ska no one fam kosi dan ma hona de kosi dan ma me
na me ni me bia ma me fiba meaning bra wa bre I dan ko for garage
I Fiifi Banson what da obi garage
oh yes man I dan for be ni fie wo gba we kwan mu ho I ko da ni garage cause ni baby I bet na the da ma ni garage obo ayen pa because ni fie na ayen ma yesu yetu ye na magu abonten
oni baby da Fiifi Banson na wo da
yes yeah
da oni baby da
yeah baby ni baby da
wow
ti me ni mama ni nana mama ni garage how dey ye na magu na ya small place na dey matches out
akanka se be ka se mo de obi mantwea
how dey da
to sacrifice can the first never what you say
I say me sit down mama and anything else would happen
one you guys all rent
you better back to me
uba piece from program na dem I first
me buy no na me bo 2 to 4 no 12 to 2 lunchtime
okay
but me lunchtime man me bo slow lunchtime
na be say krum
me pese me ye dede
satana ya branch ntino ni so hye on
na me ho ahmete
one we reader one we reader
I don't know sample that
tiane na woni so hye sana
I had a purpose I had a mission but Panama me 30 million or percent the station near popular Kwame first to be a station near popular be a station near popular just to give him back the confidence that I could help him build the station
as one say ni sika
Debbie I want him to know I can help him build the station
remember Peace FM now more lunch on Peace View now for drive time
no more drive cause me bought lunch and then we program we so check Wabrabo
yes. Check
Wabrabo Tuesdays at 10 and now we can fanting and then me frame who Kofi Jan
yes
I shall show no so because I mean cause I feeling back until after that no then I moved to the drive no because Mefia was from 2 to 4 no so me bought drive no from 4 to 7 at that time as I ever 4 to 6 so that was my program lineup but I needed to create we started here me did no we if we have boss one should
yeah
but in someone I make no even though we are born did no obeti if we are boy did pa
na bibi fofra wo de aba
I no be Antonio more radio so no be am bonum
that na nti witimi tulumba nyum kosi witimi tu kwadwante nyum bia to kosi
yes
na we share dem sua na
misua because no lumba madam for na lumba otonyo mo a wa he na unti asema wo kan
the worst no
o sheda kan gu nim don't so my job was to tell people what lumba was trying to say
other than interpreter
yes until releasing nyum bia no the brand first it will feel akoni feel Germany kofa album e de ba e be start say me bo I on release here
Wow.
Just because I want people to know what he's trying to say. And the only relationship I had with Lumba, no, the benefit I mean, say, Lumba will not do an interview with anybody in Accra except me.
Only we on
interview be Kumasi Kwame Yeboah as an on interview be.
Tina na din kam ya dan phone.
So say Lumba or Cheno Kakra.
Yeah.
Luckily for us, no, despite was producing Lumba's songs, Kwesi Brenya was managing Lumba. Until Lumba be release the album be na me am saka first. Me sabe kan Lumba no be 1 month answer. Cry answer. Oh, I ready am for my Fiifi answer.
A man are ready as a young man, not feeling it the same.
Kwame, me who ni say me ye juma.
Now who ni say what you doing?
Me who ni say I was having fun.
I said what you and
I'm going to work to have fun. It's not the pay. The pay was not it's not the money. It was the fact that I enjoyed many junior me pay ni be kan ho a I said we need junior wo ye ho ye san tua oka. A bonus.
Radio Juma boa.
Oh bebre Kwame.
We nu hu say ko radio Juma.
Debi.
Emo be na onya free radio Juma.
Oh Kwame, emo bebre. Obi wo ho a obema no academic head akọ school abeye PhD. Enu na ode bedidi. Obi wo ho a onko school do sa level no. Ba ya me be man, ya me ko obema ko for ade mienu. Obema either the head to go to school and get to the highest level or obema talent. We are lucky obema oni mienu di abom. Nti so mo oni mienu di boma, how useful can you put those two talents? Those two things that go on the amount. I mean, who say my story is God? Nyame anka mi mini story.
Wonderful.
Oh, nyame mini story Kwame.
How many years now do you radio Juma?
20 in all with the GBC, Bibia Kahu in all 25.
25 years.
Yes, because me Radio Gold 5 years, Peace FM 15 years, 20. Me GBC, let's say almost 2 years, so 22. Me Kasapa 3 years, 25.
25. Wow. What quit radio totally?
Penny Bikachem said never say never. Or said never. First time I say never, I mean Baby Radio Subio. But Penny Bikachem say never say never. Until Sisiano mean Kase, Ebia say Sisiano, I'm on hold.
Okay.
But mean Kase may jive forever.
Okay.
Because Penny Bikachem say never say never. You never know what will bring you back on radio.
Looking at the waka chile nyina dia dance say we nya ne easy and na form. What did that man for mantria? What for form? You were working with that pay. Just say you have gone through a lot. And this will be a brand, will be a babawa, maybe an mentor, will be or so our radio, you may have Fiifi Banson, not Oti Ahenkan Kwame. A football never must any pan because story no, I'm not ding.
Kwame. First of all, let's say you started in Nimia Mesa. We started in Nimia Mesa.
Okay.
Now me young boy, chilling, guessy. Oh, Kwame.
What guessy?
Oh, my guessy. Kwame, I really be. Guessy.
Yeah.
Oh. You know. But, you know, if you get to know God, then you realize that a lot of the things we did, if we had known God before then, we would have been better than we are today. Oh, yes. Senka yini nyame. Those times, no senya and then me nyame na. Senka me na to anamon senya and then nyame namana. Can maybe wa kebi amenye. But Yankopon so akwan no. Otumi wo fa nyama bi mu to appreciate him better at a certain point in your life. You get it? Until you know, me feel say near me fa mu ni na no a script Yankopon atro ato ho. Say ese me act sa script ni na bedu san pempen so ya bedru ne ya. My me hu no ama to the point to say me ma hwe ha me biu ma me bibia me de ma no.
Amen.
Aha. Until you know, e ma me hu say me tu obi fu pa sisi ya no a nya me ka kire ni say me ka kire boy bi say obi aga madam fu bi na wo ye mba asem kakra nka kire say Jack sade we jayo na faso e wo hu no e sheda nye profitable sa o so sabi me ye na me hu say faso ni hu tumi me no twen no so ye no hu say faso ni ho be ja
no we jai Why and well? Tomorrow's when you know Zoom.
But Senka Minya Obi to say me now, then.
I catch
me say, Fiifi say, if you can come into you, Kwame. If you can come into you, Scabum bottom, Grabens, with me, fee,
you are Juma.
Me, Juma,
who control
me, BBA airwaves. Me faha guessy, Fiifi. Ah, Kwame. Now be to for.
Who are put to do? I will worry you for no.
Oh, who are put to come before. But looking back, without God, no maybe I put now you do something. So to say, upon a year freedom, maybe 6 level. It is grace, mercy, and grace is what has brought us this far. And you know, some 2 young people for Sisiana, I let them know, say, listen. Number 1, you must hold on to God. I mean, every time we are secret, it would different doors to send it.
And then
we are saying, I mean, and to say one fan yamia and come home our queen to no Anamom Tuo and see pay you are.
Bebre.
I'm a bebre. And go for baby home was a diamond, but I'm down munda.
A crack.
I'm a down munda. Asumdwe fe na asumdwe omoni bi
wo asumdwe on
oh Kwame mi wonyame o
amen
mi wonyame so dia na mo asumdwe.
Okay.
Once I have God, I have peace. If I didn't have God, then I'll be struggling, but I have God, so I have peace.
Nti abrantie na baba wa bia wotie no adidi kan so mfanyame
Kwame, look for God.
And obetu obi fu so onye radio adwuma.
Yes, because you see, a opportunity for talents to be shown. Kwame, when you ready, don't count on me.
Come you be
Exactly. Maybe I be on na nya baby wedru. Cause speed ade bedru baby wedru na nya speed na ade bedru. In the radio no opportunities were why to me boa. But who call radio na first wadwin mu nia wo pe. Men can say fame man wo timu nya wo de. But the reason why I'm far with radio Peace FM was because I saw something in you. I
saw something special. What me do who be
oh, Kwame Anyame. Yes, God.
Call Mizumi Ntwa no. Ye ni wo Peace FM. Metima ka on record say you saw the talent in Kobramafo. You saw the talent in Amasapon Kumakma. Aye to ni din ye. You saw the talent in Fiadu Chumama and Radio Wife and my boss Mickey Darling. And then I ma team who say we me dey share her obitima play royal mame. With my Siamamia, oh my, that opportunity. Yes, you may be doing.
Kwame, sometimes, Oshe Nipano Comodium, Shene focus. Now they are total baby, and now we free air back. One has said, so many opportunity now. Can the person get better than you? I always look for people who can be better than me. If I'm helping you, I must help you to be better than me. What I say? Because we feel, say, let's take a typical you. Uba no. Na minimum. Baby. But I just saw you out there. And I say abontin ye din komo.
Yeah.
And I was trying to ye din komo.
Mufti Dabri.
Moving name Mufti Dabri. May he rest in peace. Hey, then rest in peace for na do so pa.
Papa, man vo we jaye.
Kwame. Na ye din komo kakra bi na me hwe unkomo die mu no. Then I said to Mufti, this boy get something. Before you some. He gets something. But something now, unless it is tapped. But what they are don't be the number. And the couple of mommy who say, such a deal will be. I don't.
It is a wood.
Near man will be PS at that time. Near man wouldn't me be a down for at that time. Near man bet now yen chain a boss uncommon at that time. Nina, I don't. Because I don't mean some way in Sia.
Because then nipa bebe wo adwuma ba wo fa me se wonua.
Exactly. Adum.
Nti wuti fie na wote yenka yen a wotete yen ne yedidi wo na ase na se fie du twuma Odi Ahenkan Kwame mukimo me de me kam umpo yen yebeto wo Peace FM ma wotete yen na. I now feel saying,
oh Kwame, I am proud. I am proud say well obi ne kan say we say we free peace for close to 6 years, but your name is still there.
Sharp.
It's also because of how I'm in here. Because even though you were working under me, I never made you feel like I was the boss.
Never.
Because we say for you together.
Yeah.
You did boom. Me nisro na uniform. You did boom. Because I also recognize say me show is not the same. Same way me show is not the same. We need each other. And to bringing you all together to form a team. Yeah, they been in the town there for your man
Yeah.
No, that's not on the man side.
Exactly. That and I could be by Iran Pessini and draw for you.
Abba. Tieba, no.
Can you deliver me if you are moving back?
Oh, on one by every time, I say, Bra, imagine you. Or can't happen, I say, but for whatever led her to say that, am I a Jano? For whatever led if you had the to come and say what she said, they found kind of thing, no. And you know, there is nothing that has happened that any ordained and orchestrated by God's hand. It's why me tell me on radio so I. Obi to me friend me say, "Hey, Odi Ahenkan say no see bold in radio so." I'm saying I dream any adwuma.
One entertainment.
And then me, I didn't. You know, the man jare. But I say to the glory of God, say, at least. And let me also thank you because Kwame won kaye. Bebre afa yen sam so mon kaye yo.
Na me na Yeboah.
Bebre so afa yen sam a so mon kaye. I ne kra no friend kra on fa on kaye person wa ne pay. But that is not the issue. The issue is that everybody comes to serve the little he can serve. I served 15 years at Peace FM with you guys and I left.
And the Fiifi Banson hear the body.
Oh, Kwame. And then me anyway me running my own online channel to
Okay.
Me have a small business on the side.
Okay.
A small delivery company. Yeah, no one getting.
Fiifi Banson him so loud, and then so she won't think Fiifi Banson she. How comes I feel the what be silent? What be you cool?
I'm working with God. When you're working with God and there are things coming your way, you shut up. Because at a point, when the eagle wants to have communion with God, it flies above everybody. All the way up to go and have communion with God. When you are down here, Nipanye. Obi anani boko sotafi, obi anani close, obi anani bibia. We didn't feel say, oh, let us share our pain.
Wonderful. Kofi, ansane beja okwankra na yenu edim papa mu ewo Abrempong Anamom Tuo no. You are considered as a great, huge figure ewo ensentredwem ewo Ghana. Mimi who as my radio god because I don't be needing be Peace FM. But also na oje me fa me se wonua oba. Ma me so mitimi. Uja ye ne atiefo kwankra na edien na beka kire obi a wa try several times wa brabom ebia na field na nye radio ebia na field na different field wa try a emfa wo try na wo de da bonten de da wo diamanfo ache wo serve akache kra wo nya bi you never give up ene ebra sonse aso aye cameras ene wa be dinkomo wonso wa bie wa komam ene yakasa obi ono nso wo ntwetwede e wa brabom no edien na beka kire na be hye ne nkuran no hu se so yire ne ho a emre pa wonanim
unwu ya ni abenya unwu ya wonim ni abenya embo na no efinyame ho me boafo ni nyame me fa me renche ni pem nti obi ye bibia ntimi hwe ni din se oh nipa nyame disappointing me da intimidate me re na me dey English me nsem na no nyame na mka kire no nka nje nipa because Nyankopon is the only person that can ask him he will keep it as a secret for you. If I want to cry to God, I cry to him in my closet. If you cry to a human being, I could tell baby I can say, hey, Kofi you know super
oh.
And then I say minimum knows. I don't know. Me suture nyame a ono nim my holding, ono nim my failings, ono nim my shortfalls, ono nim my strength and my weaknesses. So it is God who pushes me to the level I want to get to. Enti no wo tie me na say baby I want enye no mama ye din. No mama ye din mama obi a Ghana ha baby anye. But let me tell you something. If you read Psalm 71, it tells you that in thee, O Lord, do I put my trust. Let me never be confounded. Rather, when I'm doing rain, show me. Mama minimum was the biarada. Get close to God. Pray. But I dream about trim so obey be so. What do you mean? We are no to one more. When I go on, all this wrong mechanic say, Koyesi and Koyesi. I dream about trim more. Put your plan together and ask God to go over your plan. When you are going to execute the plan, ask God to give you the wisdom to execute the plan. Many times, for instance, make an effort. Me call library or kind number of 1965, 1962. I am woman. Kind honyama. Say just one day on radio for me to speak about the history of the world football, and that's what got me a job.
Wonderful.
And don't give up. If you give up, then you have failed. But so long as you keep trying, it means you haven't failed. Don't give up. If you fall, get up. Falling, you never follow.
Yes.
But your ability to get up, rise again after the fall, is what matters. Especially when you have life. Adiachi, Obiko. Ye ka say obi ko obi asori ontumi ndidi ontumi ndwenso ontumi nya hwe oda ho vegetable men transi en ka say miniske ntino mapaba ana me koye rituals do be you echirasem
yeah, that's it. 25 years as a broadcast journalist watchro wakan wa ready wa bibiabi radio mu de menim de odi ma Fiifi Banson a ontimi enye enam ne moa ene ne futu ne na kwankyere so ene that readiness to support and help ena aboa yen nkuma nyina ene nyame adom nti yenso ye di radio edu babia ye di edu nti titi obi ka titi obi kire empanifo ka sababu obi ani ho a sebe eye tra keke obi ni mu a obi kire ene ya wetie Abrempong Anamom Tuo ewo Ahenkan 93.3 FM no ahwe live or your Facebook channel and a YouTube channel. No. In Tieni Keke, tap into the glory and anointing of this great man, Fiifi the Dynamite Banson. I am a day, so no one can say when you're easy. Tis a net, unso be a dear, Beno. No kind of fast so de. Now, madam, want to a draw so for be a shaman, come the 5% there, and yet dear a beboa. Fiifi, you couldn't a chission and a moon to Papano, and a net, a mayan so 7 previous when you more, ya yenny pay. That's a net. So the man when Yankupon who yeboah, yet another edition of Abrempong Anamom Tuo Abebro live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Midi at the Ghana's international killer Abubunia. Abu was the game. Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah, Fiifi Banson ba. Pay King Crying.
Odi Ahenkan 93.3 FM, the best in the East. Yawo Achim Abu.
Na asemo ebi ma bre wa brabomu papa megidi esa waye wasua ne ma bebre na wahye ho enso eden metia no no matie nsem ne bebre na mahu sampa ewiase abrabo na yebo no uhia obi na wode no ayesusidua ne wasua na namo ampa na eno so etimi aboa o enti wei the senior international killer abubondua ajenkwana na wonu bremu Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah wane Fiifi Banson the Dynamite and one na chochi enkomo no na aka no de sha adukuru no Kofi Jan eno ye ne fie din na one na ebo enkomo no eno bebre na wode atu dwaba bi o sha ase free ye na ye kan obi nim Abrempong ahyase nti na ugusu na wo pem na chese mbie mawa wo se oyire ho na ugusu na wo pem na dachi ankoma bia no ebebie enso de ama wo ye ma akonya na wo so wa frɛ na wo so wa bemu wa dwen kyerɛ de wo sua ye na wo so so ne yen ache de na de to okukumu ene na oso usua wo yensem twereni ana wani su se obese da ache wo be yensem twereni 0554820910 na yan call for frefo di kan. Hello me pa cho odini baby akasa free. Yan kwai. Me ba jo so ya dai. Yan bo chire mamu. Okay. Yate yada sibebre oso betimi abo ewremu na oso de dia wasua de afrim aba yamfa ofrefo di ho. Hello me pacho din baby akasa free. Hello udin baby akasa free.
Anwani atumodi.
Ene ye ni Fiifi Banson abo nkomo de na wasua.
Enye nwanwa. Because me ma follow na che. Say you can already good. No, or you do a warrant to be Catano. Oh, Machina or me a hopefully. Now we'll program your son and you see already good. My full answer on the back piece of only Messia that your do you program. You only okay. Now for never do survey. Amen. A memoir about anybody.
You
can support this FM. I also a dinner fell so on. What happened? And I'm also speaking. I'm a big and I'm on so behind. Young can I want to review it. We to get into infancy. Not you find them so and we are bra.
Amen. That's it. That's it. Usu betimi abemu yebre no entinu betimi so abemu na okay mame for di ho. Hello me pa cha odini baby akasa free.
Hello.
Odini baby akasa free open kase.
From you.
Yo. Ukasa free hene. Yo. Ye ne Fiifi Banson the dynamite abon komo de na wasua.
The dynamite. As I'm born in the Fiifi Prekopena or yes, Kakanga. I was incredible. Ebegu. Obia my brother on cook this show. And after that, I see the Bema the Medio body. The move for I can help me to the yes, you kind of Bonabas of Papa. I had it. You'll be near my end, that's all. Young boys, my husband, but you say, my end, young so that she never be.
No question. A brilliant more for France, so Emrebi. And I say, hello, me bacho din baby akasa free.
Hello, buddy, good evening.
Good evening, din baby akasa free. Wadaruma.
The son of an answer to catch a fashion. Odi Ahenkan Kwame. What this is actually little bit the come up put them out Bishop from I Cashano Papa. I mean, Shano share or the name or the chef to Eda Brain. So, Monsieur will be able to move Machine Cashano Papa.
And Untina Jumedi Hono. Yeah, that's it. Of France, so Emra. Hello, me Pacho, didn't baby akasa free.
Hello, I don't need Kazafi. I also.
Yeah, ni Fiifi Banson the dynamite. Abon komo, the other was here.
But she and my baby, the medical can say more and more studio on Yamin Shiramo.
Amen.
I mean, there would be so far.
Amen.
Program Odi Aba. Media, especially I don't know. Nancy, I'm taking a call off and I'm a fresh register Nanyamia Dumamaba.
Kafra.
Program we are much as you know. That's when it is. More than I said to my wife.
Yati.
Not yet, baby.
Ori adizigi ma da Roma, ombedi hujuma.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so we are check Trema. I bet you have Wapa.
Yeah, that's it.
That's one we are, and that's so at the home.
No question.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Nyame enka oso ohun yada sibebre na mayenhwe amafo adwenkyere awon so ede bre ye wa abe for 10 time so obewrama ne afa wo ahyem Veronica de echemu se Fiifi Banson no kwasem pa na wo kana e wo se enensem twerefo ne ye edisua na asenkyerkyere bi de ma wo mo training akwasibro ni be kan sa esan se bi mu dwumadi omudi no sebi mpraduasa ense ensemtwere adwuma no ana wono so ede eba ya mamefo ofrefo we hello mbacho ni no bia kasa free hello I'm so want to me anyina so when so ede duku na duku echemu se ohwe di free eye ade so na wo so wakai pa owura eye we wanya dini yo Banson no so the was spelling na ehu ana wo chemu se wakai ne pa na o se no run commentary 2020 election is that so because open no kwatena fie 6 years in Peace FM one no na nem say I think say bia na nyono we so Adebaye or say a friend of Emmanuel Fando and also hello Bachoni Baby Agasa free. Again, and I was seeing at the free Abrempong Anamom Tuo Jumadi emu.
The Dikan bedo Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah ni sa program o de aba.
Amen.
Na asanka ka me kan say. Ye emebun ya ya be. Yenya daji exercise program ya. Sikadro ni ne to be ka say.
Kana kabiem. Amen. Yes, you da was bebre na Emmanuel Fando echemu se o share live e the free gomua Amanda na ochemu se dwumade ne ye kama papa na ebeboa amanoma so atimi akonkan e de ama emabunu a wonom so eba no ahyomo so enkran opimso GH na o se Abrempong Anamom Tuo no emu aye kama ebeboa bebre yakopon onhyira kofa bai Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah. Hello mbacho ni baby akasa free.
Akasa free asene.
Okay.
Wow, papa ni enya salao.
Oh, okay.
Uni Fiifi Banson ya minchira mo pa na Fiifi Banson prana ma ya ni je e peace tamo no. About 4 o'clock wa ni oba ye o ponyu no fa be yes. Ti ya minchira na pa onya ne kesi obi enya bote na me be peja wa emritia wo mu awu no apeja no abe yini. Yadasi okay yadasi my kinka Facebook no ba komienu bi na yen sorebe na nya yebe na nana kwasi dankwa ana wo chemu se monko so anhye mabuna yaba no eden se de be ya yesoso yebetimi ahye ho enso de ne ahye sepo mu nsuo na brabon so atimi agina bra ne ede amaye afrefo no mami fa we so hello mbacho udi ni baby akase fra Abrempong Anamom Tuo so ennie
yo Madia my anyway. My ya de papa. Fiifi Banson. The free you are that the other. No, the bear man, a young cow, upon online corner. A friend, ma, well, will be a me a recoup. Who moved you? What our story? I'm up a woman. Na mema wa papa bi so every be a me na Fiifi Banson the buy
okay
but so shena bla bla wa pona yenyina ye de ya de sua
amen
ama yenyina hu ni se enyen tempe na abefa so ade benya
da bi da
na mo nto bo ase ene wa no mo do se ne abebo bra na abefu ni ye media de na obri kokoko
da say my answer so I opim so GH and so HM na dwumadi no enso ededam ye pa na madru Gradis ampa ben and also HM said one more etaya chipa ye dwumadi bia ye di bia no one mo asum nika papa na wen dwumadi abeboa ama ye mabunu na ye ba no yeso ye hu se de besimi atutu ya na mo afa na mom koye se ye penentem na ye nya ye ho na odifre asene bangalo ana de ba ye mami akua santoa wose ochia Francis Boahin enso Adebaye wose odi wabo adwuma papa Nyankopon enhyira bebre no onto nkwanam na afeso no wontutu anamo emfa ensiye na nakonadu Adebaye wose etiefri achima aboabo ana wose Ahenkan FM mososo monisa Nyankopon enhyira wodi ene adwuma pa ene adwempa wa wose wodi eboa oman no enkan ko na wenso se ye friend Robert Edu wotie ya no edifri Elimina and also chemu say Ziggy and the just ocean wedding with you, my wife, and now while my boss was swatting. Yate, you're very near the Hujuma, Yadasi, say one, a year or bar Abigail, and saying Kamuni size, Papa Kofi, I say, wow, Jumedino, a Jumedia Stronko, ye Jumedia, boy and papa, Ama Yaso, Yadi, any actor says he can do Yasia, and chance as he can do it. So be a kind of Blabomus and now who Yawa wa femo, na a so kunano. And also unya and daso, and also Eddie Ebaye, Tata Benjamin, Senior Copo and Shira Jumedia Stronko, Yadi Abba Akosikusi, and so Chemu say, oh, Bra Fifi, Nasisia crown and I'm hini, Bra Fifi say, Wajana Homekakra, as this yard of man who suspension, and Biano Wasaba, and also Eddie Baye, Samuel Ofori Jr., Chem Senior Copo and Shira Bebre Fifi, Sonia Chewa Brabumu and some, now you are saying crime, way and a Jumedia, yes, you shall Nimusa Babanat me Aboye. Hello, Mpacho, your fair for chat, didn't maybe I can say free. Hello. Mpacho, mammy, we didn't maybe I can say free. What are Roma? Salome, young choir, nay, and Fiifi Banson, dynamite, Abon Commode, the other was sooner.
The animal from Mr. Say, you try by yourself. I say, who's a hotel by and the prayer. When I see a talk on a dozen. By a year to send on a year, and I say, how of family night.
Unfortunately, no. When it's me and so Kafra. A brother Naya, brilliant to me for fearful be a be mother Roma. My make a cat test message in back community. Hey, you are forced to room. Oh, eh. Hello, me, but you didn't be a gazette for your fearful chat to Adaroma.
Liverpool, me Pasaki.
You, Liverpool, but young quay.
Oh, I ain't guy. Media and media.
Abrempong Anamom Tuo, Abrempong Anamom Tuo, interfere bia.
Papa. Fiifi Banson, I mean, it's here no brand new piece FM. At that time, was it you are the commentary, and Rolling Stein, or the action. Now, we say, what you came up with when you are J. I mean, you make a caca and say, Abrabono and Yemrica too. That be that. Bonnie and Cacanca, Kamamo goes to Yankai. We papa. Menina, somebody go outside no biat. Menina, a lot of a Nancy or by Usiamo man who came on Rakasa as I drop bandage. Me approach. Now, when I'm so because you know so about weekend, you know. Abrabon and Yemrica too. That be that. No question. One fatty to ma. Mean cosine and near effect.
No question.
And you know, Abrabono said a sick banking. What kind of put them near a kind of fast way and obey legend to Ghana in Central Dimuno. Tanamo Banks, moon, share a moon sphere. That's it. Bimunya, Mutrais and Fiamapam, Tais and Fiamfas of Mati and a place. Motion of moon, Fiamom, Wanty. Yatsi. The cabin bridge, be mouse can be Muno Crapan or Beca, Naya Cat and Yaman and Cacra. Yeah, that's it. I mean, you. Yamishra also so anyway, foot also the Abbey open you can say dear so. My young fat Bibiana and see Ewaha. Yankopon aye adoma. That's a ne and so. Yeah, that's so as if you do Muhanum. Non son and you may not so fear the beer and you may not so copy non or tree as so. Now I shall so. Yet the Abrempong Anamom Tuo you me at the bar said ya beb ya a bebwa a ye mabuna ye bano. Ye best one more decline on Sano says I do dinner or to one man watching home as I can be a whole call baby a quadisi cabu for baby quatiqua bia. Majidi say what you made ya and Mawunya a rishemusa derby. My main question comes since you so. Watching a be ye, a son said the Canfono, almost so fast how he and so emo. Yet I'm winning, I must say, while J. Brett now would say ye, what J. Brenna will share ye, Yankopon and show Bibia, was so now quine, now of Frey, and also they were adventure, they was share the buyer, Yankopon on Shramuna. Now, Jumedia ye, dear Odi which yame a ye, Odi Ahenkan Kwame Yeboah, a Jaquana now on Bremu, or no, and a ya Odi Jumedia Chame, Namaba, Nama Prapra Quanimu, not just yes, so
yatoa so medin de adwen pan ne kofi mensa adwen papa na papa eni wanim kan yeso na dwumadi di wonom enso abanira sene hyene nso de oba no we heavy enti wo de ogusu a wutie no wonso ne din eba beto edwa na yedimu si na Nyankopon eya adoma da foforo nso yasa ahia nyame onkam ho na onyam kese enso bebre na adade driver ni ewo pepiase adade driver ni ewo pepiase apedu okay Nyankopon onhia bebre we efri DJ Zigvi ho ene yede ebaye we DJ Zigvi ho ene ede baye wana oboaye ama yesoso ye besom wo no na odi asida na ama DJ Zigvi the technician on duty wa adwuma papa ena afi owura Kwame Asante so bona chidoma omada Roma ena ohwe bibibia chese bibibia ekoso toti yara se na dafofro yesa abesia
Ahenkan, it is the best in the East. Ahenkan, Ahenkan, Ahenkan FM. Ahenkan, it is the best in the East. 93.3 FM, 93.3. It is the best in the East.
Ahenkan 93.3 FM, the best in the East.
Abu Ziggy 93.3 FM, we are the best in the East. Anunti Adisha watchim da manso across wa subu abrenansi kotokom chia achim enyase odankwanta ayrebi jadem jaha swodro wisa achiase achim asane patabi asubu a asuoso anamase across asanteman kwama kura ani enkuro to a atwa empatam wonyinashia bebia obia tie Abu Ziggy 93.3. We are the best in the East. Yawo achim abu Radio Papa Abu give me overdose, baby Samankwe.
Dr. Amir,
Mr. Songs 5-star E-money New Lamba Alat Samankwe Nigerian breed, Asian breed. Everything I see they make me ginger. She's beautiful, I know they tire. Everybody want to enter. Cause Cotonou boys who want to kwe. Indian boys who want to kwe. London boys who want to kwe. When it comes to Corona, my baby, give me overdose, baby, Samankwe, sa. So when it comes to Corona, baby, give me overdose, baby, Samankwe, my baby, Samankwe, my 10 over 10. What the kind? Everybody, she give me nutrition, she give me exclusively, she give me
Abatambe, Batambele, Abatambe, Batambele. Jenny Gally nice, Prokoto,